Yeah, what's up guys? So very quickly in this video we'll be running a detailed technical analysis on XYO slash USD pair on Coinbase. We're currently on the 4-hour time frame. So well, for now XYO is trading at around 0.029. So let's just check the daily time frame out real quick to see where the price direction is actually headed. So on the daily time frame, XYO is trying to form a bullish candle on the daily time frame. The moment this candle go beyond this previous bearish candle, then that's a bullish candle. So let's just see what will happen. But looking at the chart right now, we have the previous retracement zone of 0.786 Fibonacci level, and it's likely that area is likely to act as a support area now for XYO, and that should bring the price to a resistance area for XYO, a very strong resistance area. As you can see, we have a lot of touches here, multiple touches, you understand, so multiple rejections from that particular area. So that area of 0.786 Fibonacci level is a very strong resistance area for XYO, and that's the price of XYO should be around 0.035 then. So the moment XYO is breaking above this 0.786 Fibonacci level and closing few daily candles above it, then guys, believe me, XYO should be heading straight to 0.043, and getting from there, the price can easily get to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement area. So let me just say, between this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement area and between the price of 43, let me just say 0.043 and 0.045, let's just say somehow the golden zone we have to keep an eye on, a mini golden zone. But between this area of 0.028 and 0.025, it's a very strong area of support we all should be looking at right now, you understand. So let's just check Bitcoin out real quick, because Bitcoin is more like the pilot of the crypto space. So whatever happened to Bitcoin is going to indirectly affect the altcoins. So we are currently on Bitcoin BTC slash USDT pair on Binance, and we are currently on the weekly time frame. So as you can see, I have two scenarios here. I have two charts for you guys. Here is chart, here's the second chart, you understand, but we'll be coming back to that very soon. So we're on the weekly time frame right now, and looking at the weekly time frame, you will notice Bitcoin is forming a head and shoulder pattern. As you all can see, this is the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, you understand. It has formed a complete head and shoulder pattern. So, and here's where the stuff becomes complicated here. A usual head and shoulder pattern is usually a bearish pattern. That's just the truth. Let's not sugarcoat anything. A head and shoulder pattern is usually a bearish pattern, and the price is likely, if at all, is going to break down. But it doesn't actually break down all the time. Like, it's not actually a bearish pattern all the time, but most of the time head and shoulder pattern are bearish pattern. So we have to kind of keep two scenarios in play here, so that in case anyone should happen, we should be we should not be surprised, you understand. That's what I'm trying to say. So now this is the head and shoulder pattern, and if Bitcoin should lose this support area of $41,000, which is on yellow, we should kind of expect this head and shoulder pattern to retrace to around 34,000. The moment Bitcoin is losing that $41,000 area and closing few daily candles above it, as you can see, the next place we have a support is $34,000 area, and the moment we are losing that 34,000 and we are unable to trade above 34,000, then we should be heading straight to $30,000 Bitcoin, and I think we shouldn't go lower than that. Yeah. So the moment we're losing this support area of $41,000, then Bitcoin should in kind of break down to $34,000 straight, where there's high demand zone. You understand? And the moment it's losing, it can easily get from that $34,000 to $30,000 if sellers continue to win the war. You understand? If the number of sellers are more than the buyers. So let's just head to the other chart to see some stuff real quick. But we are on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we have a signal, a bullish signal. This is a falling wedge, and a falling wedge is usually most of the time a bullish signal. That is, the price is likely to reverse. As you can see, we're on the daily time frame right now, and this is on Phoenix. We're on BTC/USDT pair on Phoenix. So if you look at the daily time frame candle, we've successfully, if I'm not mistaken, we are kind of forming a bullish candle on the daily time frame. And also on the weekly time frame, let me show you guys something real quick. On the weekly time frame, we are forming a hammer sign. You see where the confusion lies now, right? So if you ask me, I will say you shouldn't kind of go short on Bitcoin yet, because you might end up getting liquidated. Because if you look at the candle Bitcoin is forming now, where my mouse pointer is on the daily time frame, you will notice we are forming a hammer sign, and a hammer candle pattern is usually a bullish pattern. Like most of the time we will witness price surge to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is forming a hammer pattern on the candle, weekly candle. But in the overall looking, we are forming a head and shoulder pattern. But I'm believing more on this what's it called, hammer candle, and also this falling wedge, you understand, than the bearish scenario. Except if they will kind of watch a lot of YouTube videos or watch what people are saying and then decided to go against what the technicals analysis are saying. So for now, Bitcoin is currently trading at $42,600. It's likely to get to 43,000 very soon. I think we have a resistance zone here at around 43,000, right? But I didn't actually map it out because I don't want to fill my chart with a lot of lines. So the moment Bitcoin is getting to 46,000, closing few daily candles above it, we are likely to hit $50,000. And the moment Bitcoin is performing well, you should know XYO will also be performing well. As some of you already know, permit me to bring those new to XYO up to speed real quick. So XYO network is a decentralized network of devices that anonymously collect and validate geospatial data. It basically bridges the gap between the world of today and the world of tomorrow. You understand? So in a simple term, XYO network aims to build a global network where users and developers can validate events that happen in a specific geospatial location. As some of you already know, XYO appeared in the #1 spot on MESC global gem, global crypto gem of the year 2021, and also a whole big global listed XYO few days ago, I think 24 to 25 hours ago, and also Simplex, right, listed XYO 3 days ago, where you can buy XYO with your debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer. So guys, as long as XYO is trading above this 0.028 area and also 0.025 area, I think we're still good to go. But the moment we are losing this final support area of 0.025, then I think we should be retracing to around 0.022. The moment we are losing that support, then XYO will be going down. Like, that's just it, you understand? Okay, so like I said earlier, the 0.786 area is likely to act as a resistance zone, but the moment we are breaking that area, we'll be heading straight to 0.043, and so on and so forth, you understand? So that will be all for now in this video.